There are other creatures that make covers for themselves and hide in them. These even include larvae, or newly hatched insects. This walking mosaic is nothing other than a larva. The covering it carefully makes by placing tiny stones on itself affords it perfect camouflage. Larva's covering are not all of one type. There are some made out of small pieces of wood, and others that are wider and made from leaves. These creatures are tiny caterpillars that have newly hatched, possess no reason or consciousness, and know nothing about the outside world. So, why do they load stones onto their backs and carry them around? The defenders of Darwin's theory of evolution are desperate in the face of this question. One of these, the German Heimar von Dittfurth, makes the following comment regarding the intelligent behavior of caterpillars in his book, In the Beginning Was Hydrogen. Who is the real author of this intelligent discovery that so amazes people? To whom does this original discovery belong, and from whom does the caterpillar take it over from birth? We have to accept that these are methods that only an intelligent human being could resort to in order to survive. Whereas, it is out of the question for a caterpillar to design such a plan, and for it to carry it out. As evolutionists accept, the camouflage behavior of living things is a method that has been brought about by means of intelligence. Yet the possessor of that intelligence is not the creature which employs it,